Filter One, a leader in the dust collection market, specializing in custom equipment like the Filter One Rollatron, a portable unit that is useful for gouging, air arc, plasma cutting, and the collection of hexavalent chrome, the first of its kind on the market today. The Filter One Rollatron comes equipped with a 10-inch 10-foot arm, which moves 2,000 CFM of air, the largest arm on a portable on the market today. It also comes equipped with a compressed air regulator, which helps the SRR cleaning system, which is equipped on the Rollatron. The SRR cleaning system is a mechanical separation cleaning system, which cleans the dust at about a 30% higher rate than a pulse jet system. As you can see on the Rollatron during the demonstration, the heavy amount of smoke while he is cutting on a piece of metal that is created is all brought up through the arm, cleaned through the cartridge system, and then through a HEPA afterfilter. The HEPA afterfilters help us in situations where there is hex chrome or HEPAs are generally needed. Once again, this is the Filter One Rollatron utilizing 2,000 CFM, the largest Rollatron portable dust collector on the market today.